Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Monday, November 2nd. Happy November, everybody. It's so good to see you all. I hope you had an awesome weekend and a safe Halloween. Today, we're going to start talking about a new virtue, which is thankfulness. But first, let's start by doing the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention with me. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Okay, show me a good slant. Sit up nice and straight. There you go, hands in your lap, and be ready to just listen for a little bit. And then when I'm all done, you can talk to your teachers about today's virtue. So, our virtue this week is thankfulness. We have a big holiday coming up, Thanksgiving, and that's a time that we all start talking about thankfulness. And I wanted to start a little early because thankfulness has some really cool benefits for you and for your body. So I'm going to try something. I've got a new program here. I'm going to make myself small. Look at that. I'm getting tiny, and I'm moving out of the way. And then look at that. You can see my slide, thankfulness. And this week we're going to talk about what happens when you are thankful. Now, to get us started talking about this week, let's think about this idea. Tell me something that you are thankful for, like a favorite toy or something that you own, just something that you are thankful for. I put a cool guitar up there because I'm thankful for my guitars. If you can think of something that you are thankful for, raise your hand and your teachers will start calling on you. Have a great day, Achieve.